I found 107 Blender channels that will make you a pro, and people seem to find that video very helpful in their Blender journey. That's why I added 10 more channels to this list that will help you become a beast in Blender. Addy is recreating effects from Houdini in Blender and has been able to achieve some pretty cool results. The tutorials are more for intermediate Blender users, but definitely a must-watch if you're interested in these types of renders. Aryan3D has been making a whole lot of product modeling videos, and he has a pretty interesting personality. He often cuts to the chase and has a decent sense of humor.
I'm going to go over to PaintNet to design a little logo so I don't get sued.
These modeling tutorials are pretty fun to watch, and I would recommend his channel. Joe Vaughn is doing some pretty cool product animations. The best part though is his humor and editing, because he makes every video pretty fun to watch and the results are pretty cool as well.
And insurmountable is a word that has a definition.
Creative Sav is into product animation and has dropped some cool tutorials on this, but also challenges his subscribers to participate. Check him out. Blank Face Studios. I don't make a lot of horror stuff, but if you want to do that, this channel is for you. He has been making some gruesome horror renders, including creepy places and monsters. If you like the spooky vibes in Blender, watch this guy. Kumo Blender doesn't make that many tutorials, but has a lot of speed modeling videos of anime characters. If you like the anime 3D aesthetic, you can check this channel out and learn a thing or two. Another channel that mainly focuses on anime in Blender is CG Dash. He makes some interesting videos on anime in Blender and NPR shading. This style is getting quite popular and I feel like more people are getting interested in the anime niche for Blender. Reason for it? Well, I think a lot of people dream of making their own anime or adapting this style in their games. Kenny Faces. This channel makes some cool general tutorials that do deliver promising results, such as yarn on a path or soft fur. It looks pretty cool, so check it out. Yuki's Blender School is actually a Japanese channel, but in some of his tutorials he adds English subtitles, which is quite helpful. One of his most interesting video series is the one where he creates a pie using procedural textures. Give that a watch if you want to learn more about procedural texturing in Blender. And finally, a hidden gem called PC3. This channel focuses on some advanced modeling workflows and also has a very popular and in-depth video on correct topology. I recommend everybody to check that video out. And if you haven't seen the other 107 Blender channels, then I highly recommend watching this video next.